Good morning, guys. I'm making 3-ingredient pancakes 2 different ways. So you won't have to buy the box ever again, or I'm not against the box, but if you don't have it in stock in your home, you can make it easily here. So you're gonna start with 1 egg. See if I can do it without getting shells. Oh yeah. You know how many of these I crack a day? There better not have been a shell in there. So 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. I'm using 2%, but you can use any percentage you like. And of course, if you have a dairy allergy, you could use dairy-free, almond, cashew milk, whatever. I'm gonna give this a quick whisk. And then to this, I am going to add a cup of self-rising flour. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you easily can make your own at home. It's just a cup of all-purpose flour to 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 cup of flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, you got self-rising flour. So I'm gonna add the flour to this as I am whisking. And then I'm gonna stuff these 2 ways. The first way, towards my preference, with chocolate. And then the second way, for a bit of a healthier option, with apples. So I'm gonna say give this about 20 good mixes, get your arm muscles going. You could use your hand mixer, but really, you don't have to. It's not that thick of a batter. So now we have 3-ingredient pancake batter, and I'm gonna walk over here to the stove with me. I'm gonna use my non-stick skillet. To be extra safe though, I'm grabbing out my cooking spray. And let's head over to the stove. Over medium-high heat, I have my non-stick skillet. And then what I do to make the batter come out easier is I always spray my measuring cup with some cooking spray. And for extra caution, this is non-stick, I spray my pan too. No one wants your pancakes to stick. Let this get nice and hot. Give this a second. And I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of pancake batter, and then I'm going to put a little piece of chocolate into the center. Chocolate into the center. And then for my other version, I'm gonna do another 1/4 cup of batter. And I have sliced some apple rings, and I'm gonna put an apple into the center. So now this takes a little bit of patience. We're gonna wait for these to start to bubble and give them a flip, and they will be done. All right, so a few minutes on each side, and we have some chocolate stuffed pancakes. And I serve them with a little, instead of maple syrup, I do a little dollop of fudge on top. Can't go wrong with that, right? And then I have my apple stuffed pancakes. And here's the other apple. There we go. So for the apple, I do a drizzle of maple syrup on top. And let me cut into the chocolate and show you what that's like. Tell me you wouldn't want to eat a bite of that for breakfast. And then the apple one, I'll show you the apple. Light and fluffy. I love chocolate. This is pretty good. Enjoy. Let me know what you think. Hey, stuff it with whatever you want too.